Scott, thank you. With me now is CEO Craig Billings. You wowed the analysts with the earnings call last night. A lot of upside. First, let's start in Vegas, where you set a new all-time record and said North America is just running full steam ahead. Is there still room for Vegas to expand with the current state of recession worries, inflation, and these big macroeconomic concerns?
Thanks, Contessa. Well, first, shout out to the Vegas team. They had an incredible year. We don't control the macro environment. So obviously there's macro risk that's out there. I think you guys are talking about it just earlier on CNBC. But what we do have is a whole bunch of tailwinds that we bring into 2023. We have group bookings that are going to set an all-time record in 2023. We have F1 late in the year. We just opened a new show, Awakening, that has proven to be a significant draw to the business. And we have international travel that we didn't see in 2022. So there's a lot still to come, but the macro, your guess is as good as ours. You
cater to a high-end customer. Do you think that insulates you from whatever comes down the turnpike?
To a certain extent, I believe that to be the case. We cater to aspirational and luxury customers who tend to be much more resilient through the economic cycle, and I think that inures benefit to us.
I know it's early, but the results from Macau over Chinese New Year were pretty astonishing. You pointed out that in mass table drop, how much people put down to exchange for chips and things like that, that it hit 95% of 2019 levels over that same period. You're known, though, for your VIP play. Is your demographic going to shift post-pandemic to a more mass customer?
Our demographic began to shift with the opening of Palace, and some folks understood that and some folks didn't understand that. So in January, we had market share that was consistent with the whole of 2019, actually, yet there's no junkets. And so I felt a subtle vindication in that, to be perfectly honest. But the customer is definitely mass-oriented now. We did see growth in our direct VIP program, so VIP customers that come not through a junket but directly to us, and it performed very well during Chinese New Year as well.
Are you optimistic about the rest of 2023? I mean, Chinese New Year is always gangbusters.
Yeah, the performance post-Chinese New Year has been above expectations for a comparable period in 2019, 2018, et cetera, which I think bodes well. The explosive return of customer demand in Macau does make us bullish for the rest of 2023, but I will caveat that and say it's only been a month since the market's been open.
Talk to me a little bit about your balance sheet and how you're set up going into another big investment, another big project, this time in the Middle East.
Sure. We have more than ample liquidity. System-wide, we have a little over $4 billion in liquidity. The great thing about the opportunity in the Middle East is that we're actually only 40% of the equity, and then we have a management fee on top of that. So our equity check for that project will be relatively light.
And it has a potential to be a huge gaming destination given the money in the Middle East.
Yeah, it's an interesting market. Las Vegas is incredibly unique because it's one of the few gaming markets where you have multiple customer motivations. There's a gaming motivation, there's a food and beverage motivation, there's a leisure motivation. Most gaming markets aren't that way.
We'll see how that one comes out. Craig, great to be here with you. Thank you for giving us the time. Scott, exciting times in Las Vegas. Boy, they just keep setting records.
No doubt. And the stocks are running, as we said. Contessa, thanks so much for bringing us that CNBC exclusive interview to the Halftime Report. Jimmy, you're the one who's been talking about these for a while. What Joe Terranova coined yesterday, dinosaurs in the desert, they're growling big time today.
I'm growling, not the presumed dinosaurs. But look, I'm a beneficiary of being able to invest with a guy like Craig Billings. All right. And I'm serious. As an investor, when you get the straight talk from a CEO, that is so valuable. I really can't put a price tag on it. And he is telling us for the third quarter in a row that all these macro worries, he just doesn't see it. Now, I don't want to keep beating this drum, but I have to, okay? 3 quarters in a row, he's saying, yeah, we're aware of the macro concerns, but bookings are strong. The gross gambling take is strong. Hotel rates are through the roof. They're just minting money out there, and they show no signs of stopping.